The climb is steep, air runs thin. I feel the fire burning within. Every step, the pressure grows. Every choice, the challenge shows. Eyes are watching, some will push back, but I won't stray from the path I tread. Crossroads of power, I stand my ground. Through the noise I hear the sound of change that calls me to break through, to build a life that feels more true. The walls at home begin to shake. Old wounds surface, no more to fake. Through the cracks, the truth appears, and I face the weight of unspoken years. If the road bends, I will still go, but through shifting tides, I choose to grow. Crossroads of power, I stand my ground. Through the noise, I hear the sound of change that calls me to break through, to build a life that feels more true. The path transforms.